All right, this is Aaron, and this is Layla, and Aaron's gonna make Layla laugh, right?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
You are my tongue-tie, my only tongue-tie. You make me happy when I am. You never know, do you, how much you love me.
She thinks you're funny. Are you funny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Here I go.
Do you want to tell her a joke? Okay. Tell her a joke.
Why did chicken go into a clothes? Hello, Dad. Clothes.
She liked that one, I think. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye.
I